Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is January 2nd, second day of the new year, a new decade, and like myself, I know most of you out there have a goal or desire to be healthier, fitter, maybe you want to lose a little weight, and this is all totally fine and normal. This is one of the biggest New Year's resolutions that people make, is to get healthier and fitter and to lose weight. And I wanted to help you get on the right track by sharing with you one of my favorite smoothies that I make on a regular basis. And what I love about this smoothie is that it's very simple and easy to make, not too many ingredients, and of course you can customize it to your liking. But this smoothie is just perfect for your skin, your hair, and just your overall well-being. I find that this smoothie gives me lots of energy. It just makes me really feel good about myself. So if you are on a healthy journey, then let me help you get on track by sharing with you a recipe for really simple, great tasting smoothie. Hey guys, so these are the ingredients for my smoothie today. Now I know it looks like a lot, but these are pretty basic ingredients that you can find at your local grocery store. I would have to say my staples are definitely frozen strawberries, pineapple, and mango, as well as fresh banana and a little bit of spinach. But feel free to swap out, substitute, and sort of make it your own. So to start off, I'm going to use a little bit of distilled water or spring water. You're more than welcome to use a milk or juice, whatever liquid base that you like. Then I'm going to add some cut up fresh banana. Banana really helps to make your smoothie nice and creamy and smooth. I'm going to add a handful of spinach and then some frozen strawberries, one of my favorites, as well as a little bit of frozen avocado, something I don't normally use. I don't really like avocado, so you're more than welcome to add it or not. I'm adding some frozen pineapple as well as frozen mango, and then I'm going to blend it up. Now, I don't add any additional sweetener. I kind of just let the fruits do its thing. But if it's not sweet enough for you, you're more than welcome to add like some honey, sugar, dates, whatever you like to sweeten your smoothie. So I stopped blending halfway, and now I'm going to add some green powder. This powder is from It Works, but I don't use this anymore, so I am on the hunt for a new green powder. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Now, chia seeds are definitely hard to consume. I'm basically adding it for protein purposes, but I don't like it. I don't really like it. I know you can use it in baked goods or you can make a pudding out of it, but I don't really see myself doing that. So this may be the last time I use chia seeds. If you want to make your smoothie a complete meal, you can definitely add a protein powder or any type of protein base that you like. And now I'm just going to blend it up, and that's pretty much my smoothie. Yeah, this is pretty much my smoothie. I don't really add anything else. I may substitute or swap out the strawberries for blueberries or some other type of berry. But this is how it looks. As you can see, it's nice and thick, just the way I like it. If you give this recipe a try, please let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.